back here again with another video. And today we're going to be looking at some background engines that I just made that I've been kind of working on pretty much in the summer. I don't know if that's all of them, but I don't know if I just simply never showed them. Well, I've showed some of them. One I never showed. I don't know if I showed one of them. So also with the first one, which is this random, derailed, this random class 08 shutter, which needs a lot of details, which I made with some random things. So yeah, I'm gonna paint the orange brown as well. Just some random details. I based this off with a Hornby shunter diesel, class 08 shunt diesel. But I think this was like the details on this one on it was like red instead of orange or brown, which is what I'm gonna paint it. I just did the face. You can see the smile, but which I might cover up. I might take off the face and draw it completely. I gave him this pissed off face. And yeah. Right now I did a lot of details on this one, I never did on this other. So yeah. That's up. I don't know if I've shown this one, but this small tank engine thing, or whatever class Ashima is based off of. So yeah, didn't give it a face and with the other two that I'm going to show, because I simply just didn't feel like it. That's not on focus. There we go. So yeah, this red and black. And yeah. I gotta do the back detail on the buffers as well. On the back. So yeah. Other than that, very basic, very simple. First up is probably one of my favorite ones that I made, which I need to finish up, which is kind of a work in progress at this point. It's this longer tender engine that still needs a couple things like the handrails, the gray lining on the tender, Lego piece on the top, as well as the magnets on the front and back. So yeah. A lot of these don't have names at all, they're just background engines. And I've been getting questions about Thomas Tales. I want to start it, I want to have a summer release on it. So, yeah. I know spring's a little better, but I just want a summer release. I'm gonna say around either June or July. So yeah. Of this year. So yeah. Oh, I'm looking away at this camera. Sorry, background noise. I don't know if you guys heard that. So yeah, very simple, basic. First up is next one is probably one of the most ridiculous ones. Is this multicolored engine, background engine. So, which, I decided to multicolor it because I have a bunch of pinks. I think I got a bunch of pinks for a Shima. I think, I don't know if it goes well. Yeah, I gotta cover up that thing. So yeah. And because I have a lot of pinks in my drawers. And this has been sitting in my drawer for like the longest time. I had nothing really else to do with it. So yeah, they're just gonna go on the background. So yeah, this was actually my old Rebecca custom actually. So yeah. So we're just gonna stick around in the background. Like this, as you can see it sticking out of like a shed like this. But I've been including corrections about 87. I'm not sure at all. I gotta do the buffers on the back. Buffer beam on the back, okay. I don't know when 87's coming out or anything. So yeah. I know it's like one of these Barbie car, the Barbie car thing. I just wanted to look really different. Very different. So yeah. This one is an engine that. This is the engine that you can get at Target, and this is the one that you can get at Walmart. They're not really that different. But this one's a little bit taller. Well, it's a little bit thin actually. Oh, I don't know why I said it's tall. But yeah. And yeah, so yeah. Alright. So yeah, let's get all these back. You definitely need a magnet for this tender engine. So yeah, I mentioned in the last video that I modified Rex. I guess I'll show you that before I go. Modified the wheels, painted the tips of the wheels black, put the handrail on there, painted this thing, stabilizer I think, I don't know what you call it, this thing black, or green, painted this part green as well, same with the cylinder, I think that's what you call it, these little side bits, as well as these wheels here, and I painted the back of the cab black. And same with the roof. I repainted the roof as well as the buffers. This one, the black on this one on the front is done with paint pen, while the tender is, or this one is done with paint actually. All the black on there on the back on the back and the top. While this the front of it is done with paint pen. I just painted the wheels green and painted the buffers black. So yeah, yeah, I need more stuff for Thomas Sales, like the small wheel engines, getting back, this table as well. So yeah, we'll have a bunch of time. See what if I don't get the lack of motivation between here and then. We should be good. So yeah, I'm filming this the day after Valentine's Day, which is probably the day I'm gonna upload this. Well, actually, I need more. Probably not. I need more light because look outside. Um. So yeah. And we're getting a blizzard tomorrow. Um. And I don't know if that's gonna slow down videos because of the freeze that's going on. I've heard we're getting a blizzard tomorrow.